When you need a blind steel-to-steel connection, the traditional options just don't cut it. Introducing Uni-Bolt, Icon's ETA-assessed blind fixing for structural steel hollow sections. Uni-Bolt only needs access from one side of the steel connection, making it ideal for tighter enclosed spaces. Just insert it into a pre-drilled hole and tighten. As you tighten, the internal expansion cone is drawn up, expanding the sleeves, securing the steel connection with high clamping force. The result? An ETA-approved and secure fix, built for long-term structural integrity. With a corrosion-resistant galvanized coating, Uni-Bolt is built to last. Through bolting is slow. Bolt alignment takes time. Large sections require 2 people, and access isn't always possible. Welding demands skilled labor, surface preparation, and cooling time, with inconsistent results. Uni-Bolt delivers a fast, simplified steel-to-steel connection with the lowest labor cost and certified load performance backed by a European technical assessment. One bolt, endless applications. Uni-Bolt secures a wide range of steel profiles in bridges, facades, services, modular builds, and many more general steel connections. Uni-Bolt delivers outstanding shear and tensile performance, backed by an independent ETA performance assessment for design in accordance with AS 4100 and compliance with the Australian National Construction Code. Uni-Bolt gives you total peace of mind. Quick to install, ETA assessed, and versatile, Uni-Bolt is built for the real world. Supported by Icon's team of local technical experts and available through Icon's trusted national dealer network.